every day. She loved sweet cookies, crunchy and round, the yummiest treats in the whole kingdom town. The royal chef baked them fresh each morn, golden and warm like sunshine dawn. But poof, each time she came to eat, the cookies vanished, no crumbs, no treat. A sneaky kitty with whiskers bright tiptoed in shadows quick as light. It gobbled the cookies, munch, 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 and ran away after every crunch. The princess sighed, oh, what to do? My cookies are missing, not one, not two. The chef then whispered, brave and smart, I'll catch that rascal, here's my part. He hid behind curtains soft and tall, watching the cookie plate big and small. Soon came the kitty creeping slow, ready to steal, we all know. Gotcha! Cried the chef with a gentle net. The cookie thief was caught at last, no sweat. The princess giggled, not mad one bit. She hugged the kitty where it sat and sat. Cookies taste better when friends can share. She gave one to the